Now she finally find her confidence, so she's gonna try to go home using the cleats with her biking shoes. Do you feel confident?
A little bit.
Yeah,
I'm
let's
still
see.
scared though. Like
Let's see.
especially in the traffic light.
Yeah,
I'm
now
scared to go out.
she's gonna try to drive home. It's only like 2 kilometers to
Is
home.
it?
Yeah. Okay. See you guys. Yeah, pedal. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Okay. Oh, left dyan ah. Left. O mag-unclip ka na bago pa mag-ano. Mag-unclip ka na agad, unclip. Okay? Tapos pipindot ka, di ba? Oo. O, go. Muna ka. Sige, pedal. Huwag kakabahan. Pedal. Okay, pedal lang. Hindi pa safe eh. Hindi pa safe. Okay, pedal. Just pedal. Focus on the pedal. May sasakyan sa likod ah. Okay, try to clip. Ay. Okay. Oh, hindi mo na iniisip, di ba? Oh, stoplight. Ano? Oh, walang sasakyan dito. Bago ka pa mag-approach doon, mag-unclip ka na. Unclip mo na. Mag-unclip ka na. Yan. Habang umaandar ka pa, para pagdating mo dyan, alam mo na, naka-unclip ka na. Oh. Diretso. Andar ah. Pedal lang. Pedal lang. Okay. Up. Sige, pedal ka muna. Yep.
Maganda ang weather ngayon, ano, Papi?
Ang kailangan go. Okay. Pedal. Sige, sige, diretso. Lelep ka na dyan sa bahay left sa bahay. Up, mag-unclip ka na dyan. Up. Yan, clip mo na isang paa mo. Yan, clip mo na isang paa mo bago ka magtulak ng ganyan. Yan, clip mo na yan. Hintayin mo ako dyan kunin ko susi.